How to remove shadow in Snapseed. So first you just simply need to tap on your Snapseed app to open it up. Then you just simply need to tap on the plus icon right here to add your photos here on Snapseed. So I'm just going to add mine. And as you can see, I have now added it. So you simply need to tap it right here on Snapseed and you'll be brought right here. The next thing that you want to do is just simply tap on healing. And if you don't see healing right here, you just simply need to navigate to tools right here at the bottom right. So tap on tools, then find the healing under the retouch and transform section, which is right here. So tap on healing. And let's say I want to remove this other person or this other shadow. So you just simply need to brush off just like that. So you could also zoom in to brush off the exact shadow just like that, or the object. So you can repeat the process to just like basically remove everything just like so. You know how to do that. So if you want to make it look cleaner, you can zoom in. So now I'm good with this. So once you're satisfied with the changes, you simply need to tap on the check icon here on the bottom right and you're good to go just like that. And that is how you basically remove shadows in Snapseed.